Hello everybody, I'm here to introduce you our premium segment grinder, Sirio-Q, to express how we can handle a very high technology in grinding. The main feature is the brushless motor technology that offers you great feature like energy saving, heat saving, and most of all, extremely high stability in the rotation, together with our 77mm flat burr that offer you the possibility to choose from e-brick standard to espresso standard and filter standard with the same accuracy that is the maximum possible for our grinder. Discover more feature on our website where we will be glad to share with you everything there is to know about the Sirio. We hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much.